Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Mares Moinata. My NPM 2021-22-109. Okay, in this video, I'm gonna tell you about the informative speech. This is the informative speech. I make the informative speech with my group. That group is group 8, and then there are 5 members. Okay, and then see the first slide. The first slide is what is the informative speech. The the informative speech is speaking generally centered on talking about people, events, process, places, or things. Informing an audience about one of the subject without being persuasive is often a difficult task to complete. And then let's next the slide. The slide 2 is about what is the purpose of informative speech. The purpose of an informative speech is to share ideas with the audience, increase their understanding, change their perceptions, or help them gain new skills. And that's the purpose of informative speech. We can help the others and motivate. The purpose is, yes, like the motivates the audience and then help gain new skills or any other purpose. Okay, next slide is about the strategies or approaches for defining information are available to the informative speech speaker. There are four. There are four strategies for determining information requirement. The first is asking, and the second deriving from an existing information system. The third is synthesis from characteristic of the utilizing system, and the fourth discovering from experimentation with an evolving information system. And that's the strategies or approaches, and there are four strategies. Okay, next slide is about the ways a speaker helps the audience comprehend the message. The first is read feedback cues. The the second is hold the audience attention. The third maximize understanding, and the fourth make message easy to remember. Okay, next slide is about subjects or topics for informative speech. The informative speech can be applied to many variety of topics. Even informative speech itself can be a topic for informative speech, but it still depends from what types of audience you're going to inform, or what kind of gathering or event that had been held at the time you're given the task to present an informative speech. Here are the topic examples of informative speech. The one the number the first is education related, and the topic first is education related, and then you can tell about what to know about transferring college, and then the responsibility of parents and students regarding education, and then you can talk about how visual, auditory, and kinesthetic learners are different. And then business related, the in the business related you can talk about taking your brand to the next level with three easy steps. And the steps is promoting, advertising, and marketing. And then you can talk about leadership styles and their effects on employee productivity. And then you can talk about what is the impact of training and development on employee job performance. And then the last is environment related. In the environment related you can talk about for main reasons for generating genetically modified crops. And then you can talk about the effect or of organic and inorganic fertilizer on maize. And then you can and the last you can talk about, are we going to lose the rainforest? Okay, that's the subjects or topics for informative speech. And then next slide is about some key points to keep in mind while creating an informative speech. Okay, this is the some key points. The first, the preliminary is speech is an expression of thought in the form of words addressed to the crowd in front of an audience. And then discussion speech is included in an exposition text because in delivering in speech, logical reasons must be put forward that strengthen the ideas conveyed by the speaker. Next slide is conclusion. There are four conclusion. What must be considered when creating a speech text is: the first is determine the theme first, and the second list the key points to be conveyed in the speech. The third is determine the purpose of the speech, and the fourth is develop a speech outline consisting of an opening, content, and closing. And then the last is develop the speech framework into a continuous speech. Okay, maybe okay, I think just enough the presentation about informative speech from me. Thank you, and I hope you guys healthy. And then wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.